Come on, little ducky. Come on, little ducky. You can make it. Join up with the rest of the group. Come on, little duck. You can do it. Come on, swim faster. The group of ducks are heading down the river. Come on. Come on, little ducky. Good job. Good job, good job. Ooh, what are you ducks talking about? Oh. I can't even see whose mouth is moving. I have a feeling that these two ducks are being bossy. Now I see their mouths moving. They're mean. They're trying to be bossy. They're swimming now. Okay. Some loud ducks. Are there any little duckies left behind? No, there's no little duckies left behind. That's a good thing. That duck is just slamming his head into the water. What is he trying to do? That's very, very weird. That duck is literally just slamming his head into the water. Now he's flapping his wings. It's like he's trying to get some attention by shoving his head in the water and then flapping his wings. Interesting. Oh. Oh my God, these ducks are getting closer to me. And now they're swimming in the opposite direction. Oh, here come more ducks. Here come more ducks. Here come more ducks. Here come more ducks. Oh my God, here's a real big duck. It's literally right next to me. This is my foot, and that's the duck. It's literally right next to me. It's literally right next to me. I mean, like, that is my foot over here. Oh my God. This is another duck family reunion. Duck family reunion now. Oh, that lonely duck is going away. Aw, that's sad. Hello, duckies. What are you talking about now?